Hello everyone, my name is Elena. I work for UnITy. We are a student-led group at the Faculty of IT. We protect and provide opportunities for women and non-binary people within the faculty. We are of course open to any ally that would like to become a member, but the focus will always remain women and non-binary people. One of the best reasons why I believe UnITy is really critical for your success within the faculty and then later on in your career as well is because we do a lot of both social and workplace professional development sessions. We learn things like how to negotiate, how to interview your best self, and what to do when things go wrong and how to protect your diversity. Our social events are also fun. We aim them to do with gaming, to do with sharing joint hobbies and making sure that you feel comfortable to continue them forward. But I think it's also a great opportunity to meet people who are perhaps a little bit further in your journey than you are. And then you get a real opportunity to get advice and to see someone who has struggled offer you a helping hand. I'm really looking forward to connect with everyone and to meet you all. It has been a joy and it will continue to be a joy. So please follow along on our socials and looking forward to seeing you there.